Um, the motto for 2025 is we want you to strive to thrive in 2025 and feel alive in 2025. Are you guys ready for that? Strive and thrive and feel alive in 2025. If so, put yes in the comments. Now, I don't know if Paul's on here or not, but Paul just posted this inside our community. He said, pinch me in 7.5 months. You guys, he's generated $124,000. He goes, I love it. And I have never made this much money this quickly. And I have more time with my family. That is the most important part, the more time with his family. Yeah, so let's give Paul a huge congratulations. Okay. And so ready. So today, what you're going to learn today, you're going to learn how to launch a business with 2 things you're familiar with. And these 2 things you, my friend, use every single day. And you're going to learn how to have an automated business so it's working for you 24/7. It's your freedom machine, right? And you're going to learn how to grow a 6-figure income and make 100% profit. No sharing your profits, right? That's huge, right? So if you're an affiliate for products or selling other people's products, you might be making 20 to 50%. How would you like to learn how to make 100%? That's awesome, right? And you're going to learn how to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. Veronica, she goes, I am just that homeschooling mama that made 4,297 in 1 week as a homeschool mom. That's amazing, right?